So hey friends, I'm here in the campground and oh my goodness, it is so windy out there. So I'm hanging out in my van. I wanted to share a couple of things with you guys. Can't do it out there because like I said, it's just too windy. But
she's Lola. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
so hey friends, I'm settled in here at my campsite at Rock Creek and it is windy out there. I wanted to share a couple things with you though, so I'm here in the van to show you this. So y'all check this out. Some of you might recognize this style of artwork. Yep. This was made by Mark Fun Jones. I saw him painting this on his channel and it just kind of spoke to me and I decided that I needed this little turtle in my van. So it now lives here with me. I kind of love it. So I'm going to put a sticky back, magnet back on the back of that and put it here on my filing cabinet. Also, he sent me some Kiss tattoos. Okay, there's the rock band Kiss. Y'all have heard of them. In 1977, they put out Kiss Alive 2, and in that album came some little tattoos. He sent me the original tattoos from 1977 from that album. I was just blown away. I didn't bring them with me this weekend because I didn't want anything to happen to them, but I'll put a picture in and show you what they look like. I was just amazed. Mark, thank you. Thank you so much that you took the time and thought of me and sent that to me. It just meant the world to me. Thank you, my friend. Yeah, he also sent me some more art and stuff. Again, I don't have that in my van, but I do have it at my house. I will treasure it always. Thank you, Mark. So I also got something else in the mail. I don't want to name names and embarrass anybody or call out if I'm not supposed to, so I won't. But you know who you are. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You did not have to do that. That was so incredibly kind. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So what he sent me was a gift card. And so with that gift card, I wanted to purchase something that I would remember his kindness every time I use that item. So I got something that I will be using quite a lot. Check this out. It's like a dash cam. So it's the kind that goes on your windshield and it runs all the time. So it'll just keep looping over and over. But that way, if you see something cool or if something bad happens, if you see a wreck or something, then you've always got the camera on. It's something I've been wanting for a long time. I just hadn't pulled the trigger and bought it yet. And so because of your kindness, I was able to go ahead and get that. And again, I can't thank you enough. That's just so sweet. And again, you didn't have to do that. And I think, so you know, when I first started this YouTube thing, I did so just to document my travels for my own self and for my family and friends. I never thought it would lead to actually making true friends. And I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you all for all of your support. Thanks to you who have, like I said, become my friend. I think that's awesome. And yeah, I'm going to have a blast with this. So I'm going to let you check it out with me. This is going to be like a real quick unboxing. This is just a dual lens vehicle black box DVR. I will show the specs on the back. So if you want to pause that and learn all about it, that's what's going on. I don't know if you'll be able to read that or not. I hope so. And yeah, like I said, I kind of already opened this once, but check it out. So this is the little camera that comes with it. It's pretty cute. And then it just kind of plugs in with this. So it can just plug into your cigarette lighter adapter thing and run all the time. So from what I understand, I was reading the directions a little bit on this, and it'll shut off when the car's not running so that you're not continuously dragging down your battery, but it's got a motion sensor on it. So it will automatically come back on if any motion happens in front of the van or if anybody bumps the van. So I can't wait to try that out. That's kind of cool. So this one also came with a little backup camera. Like I said, it's nothing fancy, not much to it. Little tiny camera. But yeah, lots of wire, so it should run all the way to the front of the vehicle. And it plugs in, I believe, to this, and then that's what powers that. So that's pretty cool. And then it came with the little thing to hang it on the windshield. So I'm going to get this charged up, set up, hooked up, and play with it tomorrow. And if I get any good footage, I will share it with you guys. Not sure if I have the right memory card for it, but again, we're going to play with it and find out. So again, like I said, I don't want to say your name because I don't want to embarrass you or call out if I'm not, you know, if you didn't want me to. So I won't. But thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to get this charged up, and then I think I'm going to try to fix a little dinner and just chill out here at the campsite. The wind does seem to be dying down a little bit, but yeah, I'm in some big trees, you guys. I don't want one of these branches crashing down on my head. Don't want it crashing down on my van either, but I figure it's a little safer in here maybe. Good times, good times.